on about January 28th and 29th of 2022, is that right?
Yes.
And Mr. O, you needed something as simple as a ride. You were just asking Allie to give you a ride, is that right?
Yes.
And that's because you said that it's common for you guys to text back and forth. You just texted her, hey, you can get me now, is that right?
Yes.
And then you texted if it's easier, and then she said, okay, I'm dropping people off, and there was an exchange back and forth, is that right?
Yeah.
And there were at least 8 texts between the two of you, if you just count them up real quick, just about.
Symptoms develop, worsen, or if you had a vaccine or granted, serious allergic reactions can occur. Ask your doctor about colds.
Brace yourself! Six Flags Magic Mountain is now open daily for spring break through April 8th for a limited time. Free upgrade to Diamond when you buy a new Diamond Pass. Go all out with access to all our parks through 2024. Visit sixflags.com to find out.
Looking for a smarter way to mop? Try the Swiffer Power Mop. An all-in-one cleaning tool that gives you a mop and bucket clean in half the time.
Yeah, Opie, you're not going out, and especially not now. You're not going out now.
160-degree swivel head. And those places are regular.
No way.
So you can clean your home faster than ever.
I gotta record this.
Walk smart with the Swiffer Power Mop.
Brace yourself! Six Flags Magic Mountain.
What?